Introducing Orbimax. Discover the automated orbital welding system, where high quality meets maximum productivity. The new M23 model was designed to operate with welding sources from any manufacturer and high-precision mechanical systems. Guaranteed repeatability, operational and programming ease, and affordable costs. Development, design, and manufacturing with know-how based on extensive experience. Whether TIG, MIG/MAG, or flux cord, Orbimax has the solution. The M23 model is equipped with 4 axes of precise and 100% repetitive movements. And it features the only head cooling system with water. Orbimax, the pinnacle of orbital welding technology.